We're all born ready to learn with very basic understandings of knowledge to build on. These basic understandings are rock solid. We never have to study them. We have it all 100% locked in. From that moment on, each new piece of information, concept, methodology, and everything else becomes a new block that we add to our knowledge towers. Every day we level up our knowledge towers just a little bit. We get blocks at home, at school, from work, from books, from videos, sometimes even out of thin air. In a perfect world, everything would be given to us with perfect care, that everything was nice and square, fitting perfectly, and ready for the next block. But what do you think happens if a block isn't added correctly? It isn't fixed before the next block is added. What if before it is fixed, 10 more blocks are added, 100 blocks? At some point, the level that was shaky will become the weak link, and everything above that, and possibly some levels below that, will come crashing down. Probably making horrible sounds and leaving you a big mess to clean up. If this collapse happens to you during a test, your grade becomes so bad that you make a horrible sound when you see it, and your GPA is going to become a big mess to clean up. It doesn't have to be like this. You can use the world's most powerful college app to transform your study, transform your learning into a knowledge tower construction machine that's going to take all the stress and overwhelm out of study, leaving you with one simple step at a time to go from where you are now to a worry-free straight A student status. This will get you the graduation and get you on your job to the life you want. Thank you so much.